physically active with an unbeatable passion for sport, health and fitness. Or maybe you aspire to join the uniformed or armed services. If so, one of our Sport and Protective Services courses could be for you, setting you up for a fulfilling, varied and well-paid career. You could be a sports coach or fitness instructor, a firefighter, or a physical therapist. At Truro and Penwith College, we have the perfect course to suit you, whatever your age, ability, other life commitments or background. Whichever course you pick, you'll have access to a wealth of cutting-edge facilities, like our new £500,000 synthetic turf rugby pitch, exceptional gyms, a dedicated cricket building, and performance mapping technology. You'll have the chance to join a team and compete in your chosen sport all over the country. You'll enjoy access to our Sport Academy sessions every week and be supported by top-level coaching and performance analysis. And you'll get a head start in your career thanks to our links with world-renowned sports institutions and public services. You could gain your A-level physical education or a BTEC diploma in uniform protective services or sport and exercise science. You could study an undergraduate degree in applied sport and health science or a foundation degree in sports therapy. And those are just a few examples. The choice is all yours. At the end of your course, you'll walk away with qualifications, specialist skills, and practical experience. You'll have everything you need to progress to higher education, or join the sports sector or protective services, and enjoy a fulfilling and well-paid career.
Yeah, I feel like the Protective Services course is really good to gain a variety of different opportunities and push you towards the service that you want to join.
So, when you're ready to take the next step, explore our range of sport and protective services courses. Once you've found the perfect fit, apply in just a couple of clicks. Or if you need some help, give us a call and speak to one of our friendly admissions team, who will talk you through your options. We can't wait to welcome you to Truro and Penwith College.